Arwakini machiegni nyinga Milton Ochieng'. Jopiny ma Ol-Kalou owuok oko mar go ombulu mar yiero jaod bura margi manyien e yiero madundo mibago kawuono. Piem mapek e geno e kind jachung' malaro komno ahinya e kind UDA kod mano mar DCP karita bende oridi mar neno ni onge tungni moro amora e kinde yiero no. Wabro tudore bang'e gi jafwambo marwa Chris Owino mabro ketowa e ler e wi mago madhi nyime e alwora ma Ol-Kalou. Komachielo bende ni jachung' mar duond bura mar DCP Sami Ngodho oluto ombulu mare e sikund primary mar Ol-Kalou Comprehensive School kendo nyiso geno mare nodhi yudo loch e yiero ma kawuono. Onyiso mor kod kaka yiero nochakore kendo jiwo jodak ma Ol-Kalou mondo wuog oko mar go ombulu karomgi.
I've just cast my vote right now, and I am very, very, very happy at the speed at which the IBC is working. I had the privilege in the morning to visit several of the polling stations or polling centers. The turnout is very wonderful. The people have come out in numbers, and the officers that are there are doing quite a commendable job. Just a few hitches here and there that are common, like in the morning, some of our agents were asked to provide copies of the ID, which is not a requirement by law, but we had the RO solving the problem adequately. So from where I sit, the process is going on very nicely. The security is very tight. The people are coming out in numbers, and I'm urging them to continue coming out. There's still time until 5. Those that are still traveling, we wish them well, safe journeys to arrive here on time so that every vote counts. I have done my campaign very well. I've put my trust in God. The numbers are very good from the exit polls, both from our side and even the side that we are competing with.